Hello everyone, this is Matthew, from I Love Free Software TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share to Instagram stories from any app in iOS. Unfortunately, Instagram does not allow you to post a specific part of the video in Instagram Story. But using this free to Stories for Instagram app, you can simply share the video from the gallery. Make sure, to Stories for Instagram app is installed on your phone. Now, open the app where your video is stored. Then, you can open the video you want to share on Instagram. Now, tap on the share button located on the bottom left. And then you can share the video with this to Stories for Instagram app. At this point, you can pick the specific part of the video you want to share. Once you are done trimming your video, you can hit the Share to Stories. This will take you to your Instagram story area and you will find the video trimmed. If required, you can add stickers, GIFs, and other elements that Instagram provides and publish your story with ease. This way, you can quickly share videos to Instagram stories from any app and trim it right in this app. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe us for more.